If you're considering ZEP, there are 7 things you need to know before buying it. You might be comparing it to other tools out there, but stick around because this quick breakdown will highlight why ZEP could be a game changer for your workflow. Plus, you'll learn how it stacks up against competitors in the space, so you'll know exactly what you're getting into. First, ZEP is designed for simplicity and versatility. Unlike some competitors, which often have steep learning curves or complicated features, ZEP provides a more intuitive interface with an easy-to-navigate dashboard. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll find it easy to jump in and start using it right away. Next thing, the integration options. ZEP works seamlessly with a variety of third-party platforms, from CRMs to email marketing tools. This gives you the flexibility to integrate with the tools you're already using, which saves time and ensures a smooth workflow. Some competitors may require extensive setup or only integrate with a few platforms, but ZEP makes it easy for you to connect your existing systems. The third thing you should know is its automation capabilities. ZEP offers advanced automation features that allow you to streamline your tasks and save hours of manual work. From automating customer follow-ups to managing scheduling, the automation in ZEP is more robust compared to many others in the market. If you're looking to reduce repetitive tasks, ZEP is a powerful choice. Moving on, the user support is worth mentioning. ZEP's customer support stands out with its quick response time and helpful resources. Whether you're a new user or have an advanced question, they have a dedicated support team ready to assist you. Unlike some other software options where support can be slow or difficult to reach, ZEP is committed to making sure you have a smooth experience. The fifth point is its pricing structure. ZEP offers a competitive pricing model compared to many other solutions in its category. It's transparent, with no hidden fees, which means you can scale your use of the platform without worrying about surprise costs. Competitors might offer a lower initial price, but you may find yourself paying for additional features as you grow. ZEP, on the other hand, includes more in the base plan, making it a great value overall. Next, ZEP stands out in terms of customization. You can tailor the platform to fit your unique needs. This level of customization is hard to find in many alternatives, which tend to have more rigid setups. Whether you need specific reporting features, custom templates, or personalized workflows, ZEP gives you the control to design the platform according to your preferences. Finally, there's the trial period. ZEP offers an extended free trial, which gives you ample time to test out all its features without any pressure. This is particularly valuable because it allows you to fully assess whether it meets your needs before committing. Many competitors may offer limited trials or restrict access to premium features, but ZEP lets you explore everything on the platform upfront. If you're convinced ZEP is the right fit for you, make sure to try it out for yourself. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial, plus some exclusive benefits. This will give you the chance to see how ZEP stacks up against the competition in real time. Don't miss out.